Welcome back to Instables. Again, going over our intraday swing and long perspective as we're leading into tomorrow's CPI and Fed minutes. The bigger watch will be CPI 1 hour before market open. And again, as we have our 20-day, just looking to see if we can cross above our 50 for that possible shift from bearish into bullish momentum, as we are sitting within our symmetric triangle here, looking to see if we will break here, which indicators will give us this confirmation. What exactly are we looking for from here? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you want to see pre-market news that you want to be watching, if you're looking for data sets that you want to be watching, for example, 30 minutes before market open, the market very much does react to certain data sets and you didn't know that they were coming out, or 30 minutes after market open, if you guys are trading out the gate movers, or just looking for those major volatile breakouts on news that we mention every single day in the Instables room, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here, again, looking at our intraday perspective off the bat, again, looking at our daily candle structure so we can anticipate what we're looking for going into tomorrow. Again, as we have CPI data coming out, very much going to predicate exactly where we do head next. But again, we will keep this symmetric triangle on watch. Again, if we break above, we will be looking for our first price target at our prior rejection here, exactly at 426 in my opinion. If we do, again, get that proof of concept on the upper end of our symmetric triangle here, and if we can continue on with that proof of concept above our prior rejection, then we do have prior gap levels that we did gap down from here, again, from 426 all the way up to about 441. We do have gaps to possibly fill, so again, we will look for that possible bullish candle structure to the upside if we do continue on above our prior rejection. But again, our prior rejection resistance will be key going into tomorrow here at about 426 if we do have a spike. Again, as our 20-day is looking to get that proof of concept with our bullish candle structure to the upside here. Again, our 20-day just looking to see if we can cross above our 50, so that way we can bounce off of our 20 to get that confirmation and clean break for that possible continuation. So again, going to tomorrow, we may have a spike, test our prior rejection that we had here at about 416, and then if we can continue on past 416, we would be looking for that continuation again to 426, our prior major rejection. So again, these are the very specific levels that we are looking for. Making sure that we keep an eye on our symmetric triangle for that proof of concept is exactly what we're looking for to get that possible continuation on our swing term momentum as well. So again, looking at our swing term momentum, looking at our weekly chart here, again, as we mentioned, we dropped below our 20 and our 50 weekly moving average, but we still were looking for that possible bounce back since we did not have that bearish candle structure. And then sure enough here, bouncing back, now back above our 50 weekly moving average a few weeks ago, and then a couple weeks ago, jumping back above our 20 weekly moving average for that possible bullish case scenario. And sitting on a doji here, looking for a continuation on this momentum is what we're looking for. We want to see a bounce one last time off of our 20-week moving average to get that proof of concept, in my opinion. So looking to see if we continue to point up here, as again, we have not crossed our 20-week moving average above our 50-week moving average for the duration of the last year of trading. So again, looking for this possible continuation on that swing to momentum is what we're looking for. And again, that daily chart candle setup will be key since we do now have our 20-day looking to see if we can cross above our 50-day moving average again on the daily chart. So again, that's what we're looking for to have that continuation on that swing to momentum. Now, the biggest question a lot of people have been asking, if we get that swing to momentum, will we continue on with that long-term momentum? And looking at our monthly chart, as we look for that long-term momentum here, we are sitting on a doji candle, still looking to see how we close this candle. But one thing I do like is that we are just above our prior candle's close here. So again, looking to see if we can close this candle above our 20-month moving average for a possible continuation on that bullish candle structure is what we're looking for from that long-term perspective. Again, even if we have a major spike, a major continuation, again, like we had prior, we have to consider that we are still closing this candle. And again, looking for that proof of concept will give us that strength to have that confidence to play long-term to the upside. And again, if you're looking for more confirmation here, guys, if you guys are not familiar with the MACD, this 12 EMA crossing above our 26 is what we're looking for to get more confirmation on that strength as well. So again, our 12 crossing back above our 26 will give us a lot more confirmation on that swing term momentum. So again, keep your MACD definitely on board if you're watching for that possible long-term momentum and you want to make sure that you did not miss out on any major move Now, to recap on our intraday perspective, as we look for possible continuation momentum here, we want to make sure that we do get our 20-day to cross back above our 50 again, making sure we get that proof of concept. Bouncing off of our 20 will be that clean breakout and possible continuation momentum on our weekly chart. Again, making sure we are patient, letting that confirmation come to us. Again, even if we have a major spike going into tomorrow, we have to consider that we do have a rejection at 416 and that we may just have a pullback into the next day if we do need to retest our 20-day. So again, keeping in mind that we do need to bounce off of our 20-day before we continue on with any major momentum. And again, that will be that proof of concept, in my opinion, with our candle structure on the weekly chart. So again, making sure that we watch our intraday swing and long perspective all together. Hopefully you guys can see it really does help knowing exactly where we are headed next from every single perspective if you look at it all together. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, very volatile movers that we mentioned, any major levels on major movers that you want to be watching, in my opinion, throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, join over 300 members and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instables, I appreciate every one of you guys for supporting the channel every single day. We have CPI coming out tomorrow, 1 hour before market open. I will be posting that in the Instables room as always. And again, Fed minutes coming out 1 hour and a half after market open. We'll see exactly what happens. Just be cautious going into tomorrow as we were today. Although very, very nice breakouts today, to be honest, even though we had higher risk movers, Weight Watchers, a nice continuation no matter how you took that, as long as you held and stayed green, as we will continue to do in the Instables room. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.